Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem non-overlapping intervals. So given a collection of intervals, find the minimum number of intervals you need to remove to make the rest of the intervals non-overlapping. So for example 1, we have here 1 2, then 2 3, then 3 4, then 1 4, 1 3. And also the notes are, you may assume that the interval ends point is always bigger than its start point. Interval like 1 2 and 2 3 have borders touching, but they don't overlap. Okay, so let's understand this problem over here. So we have one interval which is like, let's say, try to draw the lines, start from 1 and to go to 2, and the second interval is just start from the 2 and go till the 3. So this is 3. Then the third interval is start just from the 3 and go to the till 4. So this is interval 3, and this last interval 4 is getting started from 1 and going through till the 3. So now we need to remove the intervals, minimum intervals, so that we will have no interval is overlapping. If we see, so this the interval, the fourth interval is overlapping with first as well as second. So if we remove this interval itself, then we will have all the other intervals are non-overlapping. So in that case the answer is 1. We need to remove the interval 1, 3. So let's understand with this another bigger example here. So if we draw this interval minus 100, so first 1 to 2, so 1 to 2 will be, let's say, here, it started from 1 and going to, then 2 to 3 another interval, and then 3 to 4 another interval, and there is an interval which is start from minus 100 and to go minus 2. So let's say this interval 4 is here, from coming from minus 100 to minus 2, and the another interval we have 5 to 7. So 5 is after 4, so here somewhere here the last interval is somewhere here, 5 to 7. So this will be a little bigger. So if we see in this, every interval is, no interval is overlapping to anyone else, so we can say there is no, so minimum erase is 0. Let's just modify, let's change the this interval, instead of minus 2 ends at 2, or let's say 3. So if this interval is extended till 3, so this will come still here. So in that case this interval is overlapping with two intervals, so we should remove this interval so that we can get these all other rest of the intervals are non-overlapping. So here we need to remove one interval. So how we will solve this problem? So for solving this problem, what we will do, we will apply the greedy approach. We will sort these intervals first based on their minimum and in the first, and then if 2 and are equal, so in that case like this 2 and 3 and 3 is equal, then we will take the bigger start. So algorithm is like, step 1, we will sort using the custom comparator. So the comparator will be, we will compare, and we will compare, let's say we have two interval A and B, we will compare them, we will check if A of and will be on the index 1 is equals to, if both of them has same end, then we will just return, just compare with their starts and start in the like bigger one we will take the first. So we will subtract B0 minus A0, else we will just compare the, we will take the bigger end with the smaller end first, the smaller end which is A of 1 minus B of 1, a smaller end. So this is the custom comparator we will use to sort the array. Once we sorted the array, second we will keep a one count variable, so that we will keep a, let's say, min erase variable start from the 0. Now we will compare the start, once we pick, let's say if we sort this second example what we discussed. So after sorting, this will be, looks like, first we are taking the A1 minus A0. So 1 3 2 is the, so first 1 2, then it will come 2 3, then minus 100 3. So this will be the sorting order, and after that we will have 3 4, and after that we will have last 5 7. So this will be after sorting. Now we will compare the start with the previous end. First we will start a previous end from the negative infinity, and we will compare this start. If this start is greater than this, if this start is like previous end is greater than this start, means there is a overlapping, so we need to remove that interval. So in first case it is not, so we will just take 1 2 first, then 2 3. Now when we come to this minus 103, this is like this start, the previous end this one is greater than this start of this, so we need to remove this interval, and this we will continue to, and we will get the answer. So let's implement quickly the code. So for implementing the code, we will first check if intervals dot length is equals to 0, then we just simply return 0 here. After that we will sort the arrays using the arrays dot sort method and pass the intervals, and with the custom comparator a comma b, let's say 2 interval, we will compare first a1 equals to b1. If end of 2 interval is same, then we will just simply return the biggest start first compared to the, otherwise we will use the smallest end first, a1 minus b1. So once we done sorting, we will use the min arrays, let it call min arrays variable, start from 0, and int prevent start from the negative infinity, which is integer dot min value, and after that we will iterate through all the intervals in, let's say, interval array of interval in intervals. Let's just check all correct. Yeah, so now we will compare if pre and is greater than the start of the current, which is in 0 index. In that case we will just increase, so this variable we will increase plus plus, else we will update prevent by the next end of the current interval, which is interval of 1, and in the end we just return this variable. So this is the implementation here. Let's do so let's compile the code. When it is compiling, let's submit the code, and it is accepted. So what is the time complexity? The main time complexity here, we are iterating all the interval O of n, but here we are sorting the intervals, which will take n log n. So the overall time complexity of this solution is n log n, where n is the length of the intervals, and space is just we are using few constants, so it's like constant. Thank you. If you like my solution, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload the video. Thanks for watching.